this. We all do it, we all look stupid. Alright, everybody stop. What you just witnessed is the oldest form of theater. Theater did not move indoors until about the 16th century. This is street theater. This is how entertainment began. In keeping with one of the oldest traditions, at the end of my show, I am going to have my hat out for tips or donations. They don't pay me to come out here. They allow me to come out and perform for tips and donations only. I'm not going to bore you with a big drawn-out speech. Help support the art. If I have your lighter, I will give it back. Welcome to Clearwater Beach. If you're having a good time on Clearwater Beach, say yes. Yeah. If you had a good time at my show, say yes. Yeah. I'm going to say, for any kids sitting on the ground, please stand up. Keisha, stop on the road. Kids, don't play with fire or sharp objects at home or anybody else's house. Don't get any ideas right here. Welcome to Pier 60. It's been my pleasure. Drum roll, please. Everybody do it. This trick's called the human volcano.